第二課對話。阮是學生。
牛早，恁是學生，是無？
是，阮是學生。
你是媳婦，是無？
毋是，
我毋是媳婦，
我是牧師。請恁坐。拄寫。恁愛食啥物？我請恁食粿子。拄寫。牧師。阮愛看冊。你有冊無？有。這是冊。請恁看。牧師。你愛看冊無？愛。恁愛食飯無？我有飯。拄寫。牧師。再見。
再見，請閣來坐。
新語。
Number 1. Bowl, not, no, none, not have, without. Negative of u, lesson 1. 我無錢, I have no money. Number 2. Bowl, or not. Used at the end of a sentence to make it interrogative. Note the fifth tone changed to third. See grammar note on Enclitics. Bowl is often pronounced as bow without the dot. 你有錢無? Have you any money? Number 3. Bo ai. Not like, not want, to dislike.
我無愛看冊。
I don't want or like to read. Number 4. 牧師. Of Protestant clergy. Minister, reverend. Used also in direct address. Number 5. 牧師娘. Wife of a Protestant minister. Used also in direct address. 6. 坐. To sit. With vehicle, to ride, to take. 請坐. Please have a seat. Number 7. 冊. Book, books. 你有冊無? Have you any books? Number 8. 請. Please, request, to invite, treat to. 請因食飯. Invite them to eat. 請恁食飯. Please eat. Number 9. 食. To eat. 食飯. To eat rice. To eat. Have a meal. 因無愛食飯. They don't want to eat. Or, they don't like to eat rice. Number 10. 阮. We. Us. 阮 excludes the person spoken to. Compare with咱. Number 11. In. They. Them. Number 12. 看. To look at, with the determined purpose of seeing, distinguished from happen to see. To watch, see. With 책, to read.看책, to read a book, to read.我愛看책, I like to read. Number 13. 果子, fruit. 你愛食果子無? Do you like to eat fruit? Number 14. 閣來坐. 請閣來坐. Come again. Literally, again come to sit. Then again come to sit. Spoken by host to visitor who is leaving the house, or by businessman to customer who is leaving the shop. Answer, ho, or ho, ho. 請你閣來坐. Please come again. Number 15. 란. We, us. Includes the person spoken to.
Number 16. 링. You. Plural in subjective and objective cases. In possessive case can be singular.
Number 17. 시. Not be. Negates the statement. Negative of 시. Lesson 1. 해 시 진. That is not money.
Number 18. 뻥. Cooked rice. Food. 这是뻥. 是不? Is this rice? Number 19. 是不?
Is that right? Is it so? Is it or not?
Used at the end of a sentence to make it interrogative. 你是牧師,是不? Are you a minister?
Number 20.
新秘. What? Any. Anything. The mi in 新秘 is always in the second tone. 伊愛新秘. What does he want? 伊無愛新秘. He doesn't want anything. 伊無新秘愛食. He doesn't care to eat, or he doesn't feel very much like eating.
Number 21. 신후. Priest.
See.
Indirect address. Father. Literally, spiritual father.
對位的注解.
Number 1. Note the different answers that are translated yes. H2. 시. B5. 우. B6. I.
To answer a question, we very often use the same verb used in the question. If no negative is used, it means an affirmative answer.
Number 2.
都下.
From this response alone, we would not know whether the students ate the food or not. We know from goodbye that they did not eat. People will frequently invite visitors to eat if it is anywhere near mealtime, and visitors will ordinarily refuse. Later, we will learn other ways of answering such invitations.
신기의注解.
家 means to eat, but in future lessons, we will translate it in many other ways, such as to live to such an age, take, medicine, snuff, smoke, tobacco, drink, wine and many other liquids, suckle, mother's milk.
假崩 means literally to eat rice, but as ordinarily used, it means to eat a meal, even if rice is not eaten at the meal. Bung. Only cooked rice is bung. There is a different name for rice at each of its stages of production. 분활. Number 1. 관 and 란. Are you including me or excluding me? A peculiarity of Taiwanese is that it has two forms of the first person plural. 관 excludes the person spoken to. 란 includes the person spoken to. A. 關無愛食飯,你愛無? We don't want to eat. Do you? B. 咱無錢. We, you and I, don't have any money. 2. Singular and plural of nouns. The plural form of nouns is the same as the singular. 책, book, books. 목수, minister, ministers. 신후, priest, priests. Note, we shall learn later how to say one book, two books, this book. Do not attempt at this time to learn these expressions because they involve a further point of grammar. 3. Enclitics. Bo. means or not. It ordinarily need not be translated, however. Its function is to make a sentence interrogative. Bo is an enclitic. An enclitic is a word or particle without an independent accent, treated in pronunciation as forming a part of the preceding word, like the English the in prithee and the not in cannot, Webster. In Taiwanese speech, the last word of a sentence usually does not change tone. An enclitic, however, is in the third tone, regardless of the original tone of the word.
你愛吃果子不? Do you want to eat fruit? 愛，我愛吃果子. Yes, I want to eat fruit. 不愛，我不愛吃. No, I don't want to eat. 4. To form a question. There are many ways of forming questions. In these 2 lessons, we have several. We may use such terms as 不, 是不, 什麼, 偌濟. A. 你愛吃不? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat it? B. 你是神父，是不? Are you a priest? C. 你愛吃什麼? What do you want to eat? D. 彼愛偌濟錢? How much does that cost? 5. To answer a question. There are many ways of answering. One of the most common is to use the same verb that was used in the question. A. 你愛吃飯不? Do you want to eat? 1. I. Yes. Literally, want. 2. 不愛. No. B. 您愛什麼? What do you want? 1. 阮愛吃飯. We want to eat. 2. 阮不愛什麼. We don't want anything. C. 你有冊不? Do you have a book? Or do you have any books? 1. 有，我有冊. Yes, I have a book. Or yes, I have some books. 2. 不，我無冊. No, I don't have any book. Or I don't have any books. Take notice.
C is used to affirm a statement. C to negate a statement. D. 你是牧師，是不?
Are you a minister? You are a minister, are you? 1.
是，我是牧師.
Yes, I am a minister.
2. 唔是，我唔是牧師.
No, I am not a minister.
E. 這是果子，是不?
This is fruit, isn't it?
1. 是，這是果子.
Yes, this is fruit.
2. 唔是，這唔是果子.
No, this is not fruit.